Now, something else you could do, and this is also found within the font section of the Home tab, is you can add borders to cells. Now, I've got my title there. It's not complete yet, but monthly budget, nice, big, bold, Arial black font. It's white, so it stands out from that blue background. And it's got the blue background there, right? And it spans across multiple cells, right? Going from B2 to G2. Well, what I want to do now is I want to put a nice border, just a bottom border. We could put one all the way around it, but I think for mine, I want to put just a bottom border there, just a nice thick border. Okay. So I'm going to select from B2, left click and drag, and I'm going to grab B2 to G2. Let's get them all, because I want to put a border across all of those cells there. So with that highlighted, I'm going to go back to my Home tab, right, Home. Inside the font section, you've got your border command. Now, if I click on the little arrow next door to the border, you're going to get several different flavors or configurations of borders you can apply here. You can see that we got just bottom border, top border, left, right, no border. That's a common question that I get asked a lot. How do I remove borders from cells? Well, it's right there. Select the group of cells. You can use no border. All borders, outside borders, thick out, and so on. It has so many different options here. Now, like I said, I just want to apply a bottom thick border here. So I'm going to grab the thick bottom border. I'm going to click away now. I can't really see it. But if I click someplace else, I've now got a nice little border right there. Look at that. And again, even just something small like that, right? Remember, sometimes less is more. Just even something small like that. It doesn't have to be a big, huge border. It doesn't have to go around the entire thing. It can. It's your choice, right? You can pick however you want to format this. But sometimes the little things really add to the presentation. Okay? So just selecting the cells, Home tab, font, you got your border command right there with all these presets, these pre-configured options for you to choose from. So try that out. Add a border to the title of your worksheet.